My name is Sabrina. It's really nice to meet you. What's your name? It's nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Are you
That's
making
your
a
boy- that's your
documentation?
boyfriend?
No. Are you making
related?
it? He's just my friend.
Oh,
I'm just really fucked up.
just friend?
He's just helping me walk because I'm drunk.
You had to go farther than that.
What?
Yeah, farther than that, man. You're beautiful, he's handsome, you know. You gotta go farther than that, you know. He's a cool guy, you know.
He is a cool guy.
Yeah, you're single, right?
Huh?
You're single, right?
Yeah.
Why not? Why not, man?
Y'all go when I go.
You safe.